Hey, this is Big Rob. This is nothing. Hey, this is Big Rob. This is part. Hey, this is Big Rob. This is part 3 of the Winter Soldier's mask. I finished cutting the pieces out from the cardboard, and I also went ahead and put it together. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Winter Soldier's mask and glasses. Okay. What I also went ahead and do is nothing. Hey, this is Big Rob. I'm back with the Winter Soldier's mask and goggles tutorial. I finished doing paper mache. They look great, as you can see. It looks awesome. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but take a look at that. That looks nice. Now all we have to do is the body filling, so we can actually make it a lot more smooth, and it'll look a lot more realistic. Hey, this is Big Rob. I'm back with the Winter Soldier's tutorial, part 2. I finished doing the paper mache on the mask and the goggles. They look very, very nice. They look great. And as you can see, I did the folds. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the video, and we're gonna go ahead and start doing the body filling. And that would be the conclusion of the Winter Soldier's mask and goggles part 2.